Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hikmah and I'm from Electrical Engineering Study Program 3D class, and I would like to present about 150 kilovolt tower equipment and accessories for tension type PB, CC, and DD with two circuits line, or the topic number 4. And this presentation is used to fulfill my final examination assignment for instrumentation lesson.
Okay, let's start. Okay, the discussion point that we will discuss in today's presentation is about 1. Electric power transmission. What is electric power transmission? And the second is we'll talk about transmission tower, especially at 150 kilovolt tension type, BB, CC, and DD. The third is about transmission tower equipment and accessories, and the last is a conclusion. Yeah. What is electric power transmission? Electric power transmission is the process of delivering generated electricity, usually over a long distance, to the distribution grid located in populated areas. And the construction of electric power transmission consists of two. There are, first is overhead line, yeah, or in bahasa we can call it saluran udara. It can be high voltage overhead lines, or in bahasa we can call it saluran udara tegangan tinggi or SUTT. And also it can be extra high voltage overhead lines, or in bahasa we can call it saluran udara tegangan ekstra tinggi or SUTT. And the second construction of electric power transmission is cable lines, or in bahasa we can call it saluran kabel. And this is underground cable lines, and this is submarine cable lines. Okay, next about nominal voltage standard transmission system in Indonesia. In Indonesia, nominal voltage standard transmission system consists of two. This is 500 kilovolt is include on extra high voltage overhead line, or in bahasa we can call it SUTT, and 70 kilovolt and 150 kilovolt is include on high voltage overhead lines, or in bahasa we can call it SUTT. Next, and we will talk about transmission tower. Transmission tower is an important accessory because the performance of transmission line depends on the design of this transmission tower. And in the slide, we know that transmission tower depends on the function and depends on the shape. There are several examples of that. And first, we will discuss about several examples of transmission tower depends on the function. Okay. Two of this is commonly used. This is a tension tower and suspension tower. And the next is section tower, transposition tower, gantry tower, and combined tower. And several examples of transmission tower depends on the shape. There are tubular pole tower and lattice tower. Okay, here are some pictures of transmission tower. Okay, this is Suspension tower, right? Yeah. Suspension tower is designed for support the gravity of the electrical equipment of the tower. When tension tower, this is tower is designed for pull gravity and also withstand the tensile force of high voltage overhead line. When tubular steel pull is designed for crowded place and lattice tower is designed from steel profile as needed. And here a table, okay, table. This is a type double circuit. There are A until GG, and after that, this is a function. It can be suspension, tension, and also transposition. And this is angle. Okay, the angle is start from 0 degree until more than 90 degree. Yeah, this angle means the turning angle, or in bahasa we can call it sudut belokan. For tension, for our materi today, tension, BB, the angle is 3 degree until 90 degree. And this type means foundation good. Okay. Next, we will talk about transmission tower equipment and accessories. Okay. The first is we will talk about part of primary. In this part, we will talk about depends on the function of equipment and accessory of the tower transmission. Transmission system divided as 4. The first is current carrying, insulation, structure, and junction. And now, first is current carrying function. The equipment that including current carrying function is bare conductor. This is including ACSR, TESR, and also ACCC conductor. Okay. This is ACSR conductor, or we can call it aluminum steel conductors reinforced. Sorry, aluminum conductor steel reinforced. Yeah, this is conductor is commonly used because it has a high strong mechanic and also it has a strong high mechanic and also high conductivity. Yeah, and the second is TACSR. This is conductor is used for transmission system, which has a high load system. And the last is ACCC. This conductor is suitable for beach run because it's non-corrosive. And after that, still current carrying function. Yeah. The second equipment is conductor joint. Conductor joint or jumper conductor is used for connect the conductor of tension tower. Okay, the second we will talk about insulation function. Insulation in 150 kilovolt tower transmission is used for isolate voltage part and non-voltage part or ground when normal continuous operation or lightning strikes occur. Yeah, depends on the shape. Insulation divide as three. Okay, this is plate insulation. Yeah, plate insulation is usually used for 150 kilovolt power transmission tension type, and the number of plate, yeah, it depends on voltage system. And the second is post insulation. This is a post insulation, and third is long rod insulation. Okay, next, still insulation function, yeah, depends on how to install. Insulation divide as I string. This is I string, V string, horizontal string, single string, double string, and also quadruple. Yeah, and this insulation, it can made from ceramic, non-ceramic, and also it can made from polymer, right? We will discuss about structure function. The equipment from structure function of transmission system is the tower. As we know, tower is solid building construction for support conductor at a height, and it's safe for a human. A structure function defined as three. Number one is bracing tower. It means a kind of tower that we have been discussed before. And the second is nuts and bolts of the tower. Yeah, this is nuts and bolts of the tower. This is the accessories of transmission tower, and the function is to unify the bracing so it can be established the tower construction. And next is tower foundation. Yeah, tower foundation is reinforced concrete construction for binding step with the ground. Yeah, with the ground. Especially for 150 kilovolt tension type tower, the tower foundation is designed more stronger than suspension type tower. Yeah. Okay, next. Number 4 is junction function. Yeah. Junction is used for connect the current carrying, insulation, and also structure subsystem. As the rule, junction divide as first, have a role to connect the carrying subsystem with insulation subsystem. The equipment are, first is suspension clamp. The number 2 is string clamp. Yeah. String clamp is used to holding conductor. Okay, and this is usually used for tower tension type. Yeah, this is a string clamp. The number 3 is dead and compression. Yeah, dead and compression have same function with string clamp. This is a dead and compression. This is for holding conductor, and is usually used for 150 kilovolt transmission tower tension type. The number 4 is socket selfish. Yeah, socket selfish is used for connect insulation bolt with hot yoke. And after that, there are both selfish, triangle plate, triangle plate link, and also square plate. Yeah, this is square plate. Square plate is the function is for holding conductor, right? And after that, this is a junction function that have a role to connect the carrying subsystem with insulation subsystem. This is a shackle, and this is turnbuckle, and this is link adjuster. Okay, and the second is junction function that have a role to connect the insulation subsystem with structure subsystem. Before, connect carrying subsystem with insulation subsystem, and now connect the insulation subsystem with structure subsystem. Yeah. Okay, this is triangle plate. Okay, this is triangle plate. And after that, this is link bolt socket. Yeah. Link bolt socket is usually used for transmission tower tension type. This used for connect the insulator socket and cool tube. And after that, this is extension link. This is also usually used for transmission tower tension type for connect the traverse and yoke. This is a shackle, and also this is adjuster plate. The function is to setting a sagging of insulation. Okay, now we will discuss about part of secondary. And part of secondary consists of two. The first is protection equipment and also monitoring and maintenance. But now we will discuss only protection equipment, right? And protection equipment can be divided based on the cause of disturbance, like lightning, mechanical stress or vibration, threat or disturbance caused of human, and then external disturbance, yeah, like flight and also broken conductor. Okay, we will talk about transmission tower equipment for protect from lightning, yeah. For protection equipment from lightning disturbance, the first is ground steel wire, or GSW, or optic ground wire, or we can call it OPGW. This ground steel wire is used for protect base conductor from lightning. And the ground steel wire need a jumper, yeah. Need a jumper. Yeah. This is a jumper is used for keep connect wire of ground steel wire and also optic ground wire. Okay, next, the equipment for protect from lightning is earthing horn, right? This is a earthing horn. This function is for cut the impulse voltage with passively. And after that, the equipment is transmission line arrestor and also grounding. Yeah, this is transmission line arrestor and also this is a grounding. Transmission line arrestor is used for protect the transmission system from backflash over, and grounding is used for carry on the current to the ground for keep the tower from backflash over occur. Okay, now we will talk about equipment protection for from mechanical stress or vibration. Okay, the equipment is number one is spacer. Spacer is the function is for separator, and the second is armor rod. This is for protect the aluminum conductor from mechanical stress, and this is counterweight. Counterweight is used for keep conductor jumper to be stable in the position, and this is a vibration damper is used to decrease vibration in termination point. Okay, the next is the equipment this is a protection equipment from threat or disturbance caused of human. The equipment are one is anti-climbing device and also danger sign plate. Next, protection equipment from external disturbance are ball sign and also aviation warning lights. A ball sign is used for a sign for flight and also parachutists. And when aviation warning lights is protect from flight, right? And the last, the protection equipment from broken conductor is repair sleeve. Yeah, this is to protect the conductor. And the second is armor rod span. This is for same, the function is same with repair sleeve, is protect the conductor from broken occur. Okay, I think it's enough for my presentation.
Okay, that is my presentation today, and I'm sorry if I have many mistakes in terms in material or fluency in English. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.